Warning, you have arrived on Mars. I forgot the parachute, but no worries. Falling here won't kill you. The wind howls louder as the ground rushes closer. Red rocks and crimson sand hurtling toward you at full speed. You close your eyes, thinking it's over, then thud, you land soft, like stepping into sand. You open your eyes to the Martian sky hanging low and heavy, an alien orange silence like a threat. You regain your senses and stand up, only to find footprints nearby. They are not yours. You kneel to look closer. The prints are shallow, edges sharp, as if left just moments ago. You are alone. Forget that for now. Your biggest problem is, how long can you survive? You reflexively take a breath, then remember your suit. Martian air is 95% carbon dioxide. But the real killer is not the composition, it is the pressure. It is less than 1% of Earth. The air is thin as nothing. Even with pure oxygen, your lungs cannot pump it into your blood. Without your suit, gases would boil out of your veins and block your blood flow. Like a diver rising too fast, bubbles form and everything fails at once. Your suit holds the pressure and shields you. It is a portable Earth wrapped around you. You check the oxygen gauge. Only 4 hours remain. That's plenty. You lift your foot and follow the footprints. After a few steps, the ground feels wrong. The surface sinks softly as fine sand bubbles up. This is thermal convection. The Martian ground is stirred by the sun, like the planet is breathing. The air rises with the heat, churning the sand. It is eerie, but not dangerous. You walk around it and keep going. You climb a ridge and finally see the landscape. Red stones stretch to the horizon. The wind blows sand against your visor. A rhythmic pitter-patter, mimicking a rainstorm you know will never come to this bone-dry world. The air is too thin. Water evaporates before it can ever hit the ground. Deep below, radar detected a hidden layer of liquid water. Buried under ice and rock, heated by the core, that mystery signal remains beneath your feet. Following the tracks down the slope, you see a metal hull. It is the Zhurong rover. The Chinese rover landed here in Utopia Planitia in 2021. It sits silently in the dust. It seems to be waiting for a command. Since its hibernation in 2022, it never woke up again. The signal is lost. The footprints you followed were just its wheel tracks. You laugh for a moment, then look up. A dark red line is widening across the horizon. A dark red line tightens on the horizon, slowly growing wider, the dust storm that swallows the sun and kills all power. The storm will swallow the sky. Temperatures will crash in hours. These storms can last months. You check your oxygen and run for the module. You slip inside. The wind becomes a dull thud, like hands pounding the walls. A warm orange light stays on. You sit down and wonder, why are we even here? Signals take up to 20 minutes. If something goes wrong, Earth will be too late. This planet lost its magnetic field and its air. It lost everything needed for life. Yet we keep sending rovers, not because it is easy, but because the mission is vital. Did life ever exist here? Even a tiny microbe would rewrite everything we know? Zhurong sits beside you. The storm hides the world, but the light stays on. We explore because we need to know, are we truly a lone accident in the vast universe? Beneath this desolate crimson shroud, the answer we've been seeking still waits, the one secret the red planet has never surrendered.